Fun times at the beach are a great experience. Well, until the sun gets a little bit too much and the lack of shade really takes away the comforts and the good vibes. There are no trees or structures, so when the sun strikes, you have nowhere to hide. And this is why the beach umbrella is a must-have on the list of items you need. This is the 1.4 meter Republic umbrella. It is lightweight and slim, so it's easy to carry under your arm. Ideal not only for the beach, but also for the back garden or the sports field. With the handy tilt feature, it is easy to get the shade right where you want it. Now, depending on how many people are going to seek shade, you may need this 2.2 meter umbrella, because we all know that you hardly ever go to the beach alone. This umbrella will provide a lot of shade, but please be careful on a windy day, as a tumbling umbrella across the beach is an embarrassing situation to be in. Now, both of these umbrellas are 100% sunproof. They have a sun protection factor of 50+. This means that you're protected from direct UV rays, and that's something that we all need to consider. Be careful that you don't damage the plastic adjuster by using a hammer to knock the umbrella's lower half pipe into the ground. Rather, hold the pipe firmly with 2 hands and twist it as you push. If you've been at the beach, a quick rinse with fresh water will extend the life of the metal parts. And as much as umbrellas are designed to be in the sun, store them indoors. Now, these are just some of the outdoor shade solutions available at Builders, in-store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, check out the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.